Hey guys, what's up? Mckinney Thomas, the Kirby 1 through 8 here, and welcome to a Minecraft Pocket Edition server. Today we're playing on inpvp.net, or to be specific, in1.pvp.net. I mean, play1.inpvp.net. Sorry. And today we're gonna be playing my all-time favorite game, Build Battle. So let's go in and do it. Say hi to YouTube. Oh, the theme is a chicken. Huh, well that's easy. Unhide the chat and let's build our chicken. As usual, I'm using my faithful texture pack, and we got a lot of time. Alright, so let's start building our chicken. We need the white, we need the red, we need the orange. So let's start building the chicken. Let's build his body. Gonna build the chicken's little booty. Oh ja. Someone left already. I'm probably gonna win this one easy. Now let's extend his head up a little bit. And chickens have a little red thing on their head, so let's make that. Give them some nice little beady eyes. And there's a little chicken. Isn't he adorable? Let's use some of these emoji things. Let's use the heart. So type heart on a sign. Okay, it's kind of neat. So let's put some heart above. Let's put some hearts on its little. I forget the term for this thing. Anyways, HEART. Heart particles. Oh, we need to add extra like wings. There we go. Now he looks more like a chicken. Let's do the same on the other side. I do come on this server fairly regularly. If you do happen to see this video, come say hi to me. I mainly play build battles. I want to build something else. I know. We are the butt. Wait, hold on. Butt night. We are the Butt Knights! And let's draw something else. Let's make up, Can we get a skeleton head and put it on? They didn't think that one through. Now I have a skeleton head. Let's give him a name. What should we name him? Look in the server. Oh, there's not very many people here. David the Chicken. David the Chick. I'll just write his name on the floor with butter. I've been watching too much Minecraft. A B I D. Let's just add that little thing there, and there. David the chicken. Hashtag David the chicken. Let's extend the V out a little bit. And take off the corners. There we go. David. Alright. So, I think this is good. Wait, hold on. All hail the butt knights. So this is David our chicken. Let's get some armor on. Let's get some butter armor. Now let's take up our armor. Alright, let's see what we got. Okay, it's okay. I'll give it a... it's okay. Wait a minute. Hold on. Say hi to my YouTube channel. Say hi to my YouTube channel. Veggie, you did pretty good. I'm gonna give you okay. And here's my build. Oh wait, this isn't my build. Whoopsie. What's this? Dough. You made a nice chicken. Oh, here's mine. David! Is no one voting? My build got 15 points. Yay! I was 4th place. I'm happy with that. You know what? GG everyone. And I'm say bye. Say bye. Actually, no. We're gonna play one more round. Let's play one more round. Actually, do we want to play Build Battle or should we play a quick round of Sky Wars? You know what? Screw it. Let's play some Sky Wars. Glacial Sky Lake. Now let's play Build Battle. Say hi to YouTube. I'm getting better at parkour. I'm not the best, but I'm getting better. Shoot! When you're ready, come and get it. Na na na. Uh-oh. This is a tricky jump. Alright, we're starting. What are we building? I just had a good idea for this one. Emma, this one's for you. Alright. The only reason I'm building is because Ethan will not shut up about it. And I got it stuck on my head now. If you don't know, Ethan's my brother, or the Boss Gamer. I will leave a link to his channel in the description. I need stained clay as well. I have no idea how to build this. So let's get this. We're gonna need a lot of purple. Alright, let me just get a quick picture up. I'll be just a second. Alright. Where is a good one I can use? Here we go. Okay, so I need a lighter color, apparently. Wait, hold on, let me try something. Wait, no, I can do this. Hold on. Yeah, that works. I bet someone's gonna recognize this. Alright, so doopy-doopy-doo. Now I need pink and a bit of white. This is gonna be weird. Ethan, I hate you for making me build this. I bet some people already know what I'm building. I can't build this right. Hold on. And screw it, let's make it like a star. Uh-oh. The tablet is going to die soon. Okay, there we go. Anyways. Let's hurry up this build battle so I can put this on the charger for a bit. Wait, that's blue stained clay. Why do I have blue stained clay? I need purple stained clay. Okay, there we go. We got 8 people to compete against. This is gonna be funny. Someone's gonna laugh to this. So if you don't already know, when they said unicorn, there was one thing my brother's addicted to that instantly popped into my mind, and that is the series My Little Pony. Now, the reason I'm building this is because my brother will not shut up about it, because apparently they're making like a new season or something, I don't freaking know. But he's addicted to it, so I have never heard the end of it, ever since I tricked him into liking it. So I have a picture with me right now, and I am building this. Then I'm going to use a darker one on top. I actually have a reference photo with me right now to help me out a little bit. Oh my freaking god. So I'm going to put it on the bottom. I cannot build a horn. I am bad at this. Mine sucks so bad. I'm gonna write this down. I think it was TWI is the character's name. I honestly have no freaking clue. Anyways, let's just write this down. I'm trying to write the full thing, actually. Yeah, that's the right name. I don't know how to make an R. Yeah, I was gonna go lowercase, because I only have... Oh, shit. Okay, gotta be quick, gotta be quick, gotta be quick. L. Shit. Shit. There. Bam. Let's see what other unicorns... How did I know a rainbow would pop up? Yeah, I'm giving that... That's super good. That's super good. Hello. I suck. I'm bad. everyone like is super good. Oh, that one's cute. That one's really cute. I like that one. Okay, whoever's username that is, I really don't like. Please be a 9 cat. Oh my god, it's a rainbow unicorn haired thing. Okay, that's super good. That's super good. Okay, what place did I come in? I was in 5th. GG, guys. Say bye to YouTube. Anyways, guys, that's gonna do it for this episode of Build Battle. If you want to see more mini games on the channel, hit that like and that subscribe button, and please check out my brother's channel in the description below, and subscribe to that brony. Or is that what it is? I can't remember. I think that's what it was. Anyways, yeah, subscribe to my brother, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Remember, my 3 seconds a compliment.